Yep, sit right next to the cube.
And we'll tell you the rules in a second.
All right, can you see yourself on camera?
All right, Jonah, are you up for a challenge?
Yeah!
Let's see if you can fit your entire wardrobe into a packing cube. Think you can do it? Okay,
Yeah.
You too, Jude.
You too, Jude.
Ready, set, go!
With room to spare, look at that.
That's empty.
Hi, Explorers.
Morgan and
Chris here, documenting our journey towards full-time family travel.
recently we've been on a major decluttering kick in efforts to make our transition into full-time family travel a lot easier. We've dramatically downsized our wardrobes, and we've been getting a few questions on how we do this with kids.
So we are going to show you exactly how we created a minimal capsule wardrobe for our boys.
We're so excited to share this with you because since we started doing this, it's really simplified our lives.
And I'd never even heard of it until you brought it to my attention. I didn't know anything about it. But just getting ready with the boys now in the morning, so much quicker.
Well, it's because they can mix and match anything in their closet and they'll still look coordinated, which is huge. Full disclosure, before we get started, we're just going to show you Jonah's wardrobe, who's 4 years old, because Jonah and Jude, our 2-year-old, dress the same all the time, twinning. So it'd be a little redundant to show you both. And another disclaimer, this is an extreme version, again, because we want everything to fit into their own packing cubes. So you may add a few more pieces to your wardrobe. This is just the bare minimals.
Step 1, choose your pieces wisely. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can go about this. One way is you could pick a number and stick to it. For example, people will pick 30 pieces and they will not go over that limit, they won't go under that limit, but they will switch things out depending on the season. We're taking the approach where we're looking at our kids and really evaluating what they need and sticking just to the essentials and not trying to add anything else. And here is our breakdown of what we have for our kids.
5 tops, 4 pairs of pants, 3 pairs of shorts, 1 swimsuit, 5 pairs of socks, 5 pairs of underwear, 1 pair of sneakers, 1 pair of boots, 1 pair of sandals, 1 light jacket, 1 coat, 1 pair of gloves, 1 hat, snow pants.
Step 2, choose a base, black or blue.
We chose black as our base because it's more versatile and you can dress it up or down.
And it hides imperfections a little bit better than lighter colors. And with little kids, we found this to be very, very important.
Step 3, choose colors that complement your base.
This is where we have a little bit of fun. We always pick an accent color. If you look at Jonah's right now, we picked maroon, and it complements really nicely with all of the neutrals. We also tried to find materials that don't stain or show stains easily because we have so few pieces, we want to keep them looking nice and fresh as long as possible.
And this goes across the board for like our entire family because we like to coordinate.
All together. And I think it's really important to note that we don't spend a ton of money on their different pieces because they grow so fast and they play really hard. So this way, when they do get a stain on something and we can't prevent it, we don't feel too guilty getting rid of it and changing it out for something else. Step 4, make exceptions.
Personally, we are not huge fans of patterns or characters, but our kids do get obsessed. And we do get presents from family and friends, which we are very grateful for. And so we let the kids sprinkle some of those into their wardrobe.
So those are things that we probably normally wouldn't put in our capsule, but the kids enjoy it, so we're pretty laid back about this again. So we have a few of those in there, and we also have a couple things that we don't consider part of our capsule, which are just a few shirts that they can use for extremely dirty play, painting, playing outside. And when we actually travel, we probably won't even cut that back.
Step 5, Mix and match.
Our kids have a limited number of clothes in their wardrobe, but the beauty of the capsule is they can mix and match to create multiple outfits, and they always look really good together and coordinate really well. And it's really empowering for them because they can choose whatever they want, and we feel confident because we know it'll look pretty good together. And this goes for everything, including pajamas. I mean, we have items that they wear to bed that can be worn casually and vice versa. So we really try to keep that minimalistic approach to the entire wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Comment down below, have you tried a capsule wardrobe, or are you going to try a capsule wardrobe for your kids? And if you haven't already subscribed and ring that bell, please do so.
And do not forget to smash that like button.
Have a great week.
Adios.
I'll be here all week.
We've recently been on a major decluttering.
It makes getting easier so much quicker in the morning.
She said getting easier so much quicker.
So that we can match and coordinate.
Family pictures.